Hello, I'm Craig Felix, Community Education Officer with the Metropolitan Fire Service, and I'm here to talk to you about cooking safety and fire safety equipment for the home that we all should have. And I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to correctly use a fire blanket. So, we, the fire service, recommend that everyone have a fire blanket in close proximity to their kitchen, just in case they have a cooking fire start. This is our preferred method for extinguishing any stovetop cooking fire. And I'm going to give you a demonstration on how easy it is to simply put out a stovetop fire. Firstly, you need to have your fire blanket positioned so that you can access it easily without being impinged from the flame on your stove. So a safe distance away, and then to use it, all you need to do is pull on the tabs and the blanket will come out. There is no wrong side to a blanket. It is universal, so it doesn't matter which side you use to extinguish your pot fire. And to use it, you simply roll your hands up to protect your hands so they cannot be burnt, and then gently place it over the cooking and then turn your stove off. You would then leave the blanket in place and call 000 and tell them that you've had a stovetop fire and it's been extinguished. They will dispatch fire appliance to your home, and there is no charge for this. The reason that we still come out to your home is to ensure that the fire hasn't travelled through your roof. And if it has, we will obviously extinguish it and ensure that your home is safe.